Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about the pages and the layouts. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The page router has a file-based router built on the concept of the pages, right? So when a file is added to the pages directory, is automatically available as a route. In the Next.js, a page is a React component. Okay, exported from a .js file, .jsx, .ts or .tx file in the pages directory. Each page is associated with the route based on its file name, route layout, and per page layouts. So this is the concept. By default, there is a root layout. If I go over here, and here you can see that we have a layout, root layout, right? And here they are mentioning HTML body class and the children's, right? Here you can see that. Okay, so the root layout, the top level of the layout shared by all the pages in the app. It is required and the must contain HTML and the body tags. Per page layouts. So you can create a per page layout, customize layouts for the individual pages using the get layout property in a page component. Okay, let's try this. Then we have a dashboard. We have a dashboard and the page.tsx. We have already created one of them, that is, let's create one, that is dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Okay, and the dashboard we have to create a page.tsx file, that is the routing part. Okay, page.tsx. Okay, let's save this code over here. This is dashboard page. Okay, the next we have the customer page. We have already in the dashboard. Let's create the dashboard customers invoices according to that one. Okay, then we have to create, if you want to separate the layout. If I go in the front end, and let's go with the dashboard, here we go with this one. If I go over here, then we have a about and contact, and if I put over here dashboard. Okay, dashboard page. Okay, this is a layout by default. Okay, now I want to change that layout, so I need to create a layout.tsx file, individual layout. So here we go with this one. In the dashboard, I need to create a new file, that is layout.tsx, and I will use this export component over here. Side nav, currently it's not there, so I'm not using this. Okay, so if I go and check this one, this is my layout file, right? What it says, but I haven't imported anything. These are the previous error, I think. So we have a dashboard page, right? So let's go and add the dashboard. Okay, and if I want to add the, let's suppose I'm going to add a nav into this, not the other pages. So how it look like? If I go and here I will just add like ul, and then we have a li. Okay, let's remove this li, and hi, like here we will add about, and here we'll add li home. Okay, rest of the things, let's go to the main layout.tsx file. So here we have this one. Okay, so first we have to copy the full layout. No, not required, I think default we have to go with the layout.tx. Just make the layout dashboard layout, dashboard layout. Okay, make sure the children is there. Let's go to the layout.ts. Okay, so make sure they should be also calling over here if we are using. So here we have a layout of this one. return, then we will call the children's. Okay, so whatever page we have the children's would have the same layout. Okay, so let's go and check this one. So we you can see, and if I go to the contact, right, the main one, so here you can see that this the layout is different. You can see the main page layout is different and the dashboard layout is different. You can see the dashboard, both have the different, like, you can set the layouts per page accordingly. Right here I have added the about and home that will not reflected in the main layout, right? So this is how the layout works. You can per page layout you can set, and if you want to set the main layout, then you can go with the layer.txt. You can modify like the here, and here in the body here we have a children like the body, right? So here you can create a nav, anything, you can make a link over here or something you can add and use that one. Okay, so this is how the page and the layouts work. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section, and if I missed something then please do let me know also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.